Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Tozo A2 with any iPhone or iPad. So simply open the charging case, and then we have to just wait until this indicators lights up. There we go, the red on the left. It looks like the right is not working, so close it and open one more time. Okay, right now the both indicators are working. So right now let's take them out of this charging case, and as you can see they are blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So on our iPhone we have to simply go to the settings, open Bluetooth, turn it on, and from available devices list select Tozo A2. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.